too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Felicia, and if it is your first time on this channel and seeing this pretty face, welcome my love. Do join the divine gang by of course subscribing to the channel and also liking and commenting. Guys, if you are a returning subscribee, I always say this and I feel like I'm just like a song on repeat, but I genuinely just want to say, if you are returning on this channel, thank you so much my love, and thank you so much for your loyalty. I really do appreciate it, guys. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be doing me, you know. It's like a day after work, so it is Wednesday and this week has been so heavy, so heavy. Let me tell you guys, I'm currently editing a vlog that I need to upload before the weekend. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much my loves for tuning in. If you do enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have something to say, just leave a comment, a sweet comment, a divine comment. Yo, I just want to quickly make something to eat right now. Just want to quickly make something to eat, so I'm going to show you guys. Honestly, it's not a big deal. I don't really like cook. I just do whatever, but not like a serious meal that I have to cook, you get. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I get up to while I'm sipping on my wine. It's been a heavy day, week as well. Just a lot of emotions. Like I know deep down in my heart that the weekend, you know, since we're approaching Christmas, it's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna be divine, it's gonna be filled with positive vibes and positive energies. Y'all, I need y'all's help with this tripod lights thing. Like, get it, the tripod has a lights thingy at the top. Iyacima. Angazi noma kuphela ama-battery manje or what's happening, but iyacima guys. It will literally go off. I'm sure you guys can see the difference in the quality of this video, the lighting, right? Because this thing goes off. That time I haven't been using it for too long. It hasn't been long, and I don't vlog every day, so it's been chilling there. So I don't know, like, if I should get new batteries or what the hell is going on. I really don't know, guys. If you have an idea about these tripods and how they work, please help me out by just saying something in the comments so that I can just get the fucking batteries before I even travel. Because like, I need the light. Like right now, you see, I need the light. It's needed. Anyway, the other thing that I am so not happy about is my weight. Girl, y'all, fuck. This one needs a drink. This one, that topic needs a drink. Y'all, I'm so not happy. Like, my biggest fear is gaining weight, you get, and it's happening, so I need to do something about it, basically. Let's cook. I'm gonna fry fish fingers for a snack because I'm currently defrosting the chicken. So yeah, I'm gonna fry the fish fingers, and then I need to edit the vlog. Like, I'm almost done. Literally, I need to do the thumbnail, and then I need to transfer it to my laptop, and then it's gonna, once it's on my laptop, like, I'm Gucci. I know I'm sorted. I just need to decide on which day I'm gonna upload it. So y'all, you know what I'm looking for? Oh, there we go. There she goes. Ouch. I'm TikTok, ne? Oh, Amandla Manga. Cause one thing that I'm trying to do is just to lift my mood up, because I received such bad news today. A friend of mine has passed away. So yeah, I've been sad the whole day, and I just want to like lift my mood and spirit up a bit. The crazy thing that I'm so mad about is the fact that I saw him on Friday. On Friday, and he was just like leaving. I didn't get to say hi or bye because I got late to the place where we were drinking. I pulled up late and he was already just like, you could see that he's been there, and so he was leaving, and I didn't, and I am not happy about that. It just like, it's so scary how life is just so short, and we really just need to treasure every single moment and live in the moment all the time. My friend is gone, and he was the life of the party. You know, a lot of things. Let me play some music, y'all. Let me play some music. Yo.
So much fun.
Come on, Hana, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, pop it, come on, Hana, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, pop it.
I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to Metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this, too sexy for your.